So you've been in an accident. You're gonna get a lot of calls from a lot of different people. Everyone's gonna have their own opinion. Who should you call? Not the Ghostbusters. You should call an attorney, and let me tell you why. After you've been in an accident, there are a lot of people that are going to want to talk to you, and they all have their own opinions and their own reasons for talking to you. For example, insurance adjusters, to start. They look at you as what they call an early settlement opportunity, which means if they can get to you before you've hired an attorney and convince you to settle your claim for peanuts, that saves them a ton of money. And they're gonna push you early and often to accept some amount of money, and they say that that's the fair amount and that's what they pay, and maybe it seems reasonable to you because you just don't know. I promise you it's not fair. If you don't have an attorney, you are not going to get a fair offer from the insurance company. You might also get calls from friends, neighbors, family members. They've all got their opinion. This is a little bit like looking up your symptoms on Wikipedia or something, right? We've all done that. And all of a sudden you think that you've got stage 4 cancer, and you see a doctor and it turns out that you just had some indigestion or something, right? Same thing here, okay? Lawyers are experts, and we've been doing this for years and years. This is not something that you want to handle by yourself, and the kind of general knowledge that's out there on the internet or with your family and friends is probably not accurate, and you want to talk to somebody who's experienced in this and licensed to do this and really knows what they're doing. So why should your first phone call be to an attorney? We have some other videos that go into this, so I won't dive into it deep here, but the short reason is peace of mind. Okay, we will start talking to the insurance company for you, so those obnoxious emails and phone calls will stop. We will help you make sure that you're gathering all the evidence you need to prove that you really are injured, so that you can be compensated fairly for what's happened to you, make sure your medical bills are paid and all those things. And basically we just handle this process for you so that you can focus on getting better. You can focus on healing, taking care of whatever you need to with work and those kinds of things, and you just let us handle the legal process so you can focus on getting better, taking care of what matters to you, and leaving the legal side of things to us, because that's what we're good at. So I love me some Ghostbusters, but who are you gonna call after an accident? It should be an attorney. Attorney can give you the correct information that you need to hear. An attorney can keep the insurance people off your back and make sure that you don't do anything to hurt your case going forward, and to make sure you're doing all the right things to make sure you have a good case and that you're going to have your medical bills paid and that you're taken care of. So if you've been in an accident and it wasn't your fault, we would love to help you, and we'll see you in the next video.